Airports across the country and the world are nearly empty. Passenger traffic is down 97% in some places. We've pretty much all stopped flying. I haven't been on a plane in 2 months. Are we being safe or paranoid? This fact check is ready for takeoff in this episode of the Truthometer Minute. Hey everyone, I'm Aaron with PolitiFact. I fly a lot. Like in 2019, more than 200,000 air miles. So yeah, I like to fly. Southwest Airlines CEO Gary Kelly says maybe we're being a little over-precautious when it comes to staying away from the friendly skies. Here's what he said on CBS's Face the Nation.
I don't think the risk on an airplane is any greater risk than anywhere else. And in fact, you just look at the layered approach that we use. It's as safe as an environment as you're going to find.
There certainly is a lot of pent-up fear about how air circulates on an airplane. And there is some research that suggests that maybe that fear is a little unwarranted. First of all, airlines like Southwest say there's little evidence that COVID-19 has spread on airplanes to date. And they say their air filtration system takes away 99.9% of particles and dust that spread the virus. There's also some research that suggests those tiny droplets and particles don't go as far as you might think. Maybe just 2 seats to one side, or maybe 1 row in front or behind. According to the World Health Organization, the air on an airplane turns over every 2 to 3 minutes. The recirculated air is usually passed through high-efficiency particulate air filters. Those are the types of filters used in hospitals and intensive care units. They trap dust, particles, bacteria, fungi, and viruses, like the coronavirus. But the experts we talked to said Kelly went too far in saying an airplane is as safe as place as you're going to find. That's just not true. We do know with certainty that viruses can spread on airplanes. In 2003, we know that 1 passenger infected with SARS spread that virus to 16 other people. It also happened with H1N1. Anyone who flies also knows that the moment you step on that plane, you give up some of the luxuries you have in other environments. At home, you can control who comes in and out of your house. If you're at a grocery store, you can walk away from a crowded situation. And in office environments, you usually have enough room to social distance. On an airplane, you give up a lot of those freedoms. As we saw in this post on Twitter, from a doctor flying home from Newark to San Francisco on a completely full airplane. All right, it's time for the Truthometer verdict. Again, Gary Kelly, the CEO of Southwest Airlines, said, being on an airplane is as safe as environment as you're gonna find. The reality is we found plenty safer places. This claim rates mostly false. For all our fact checks about the coronavirus, be sure to go to politifact.com/coronavirus and subscribe below to see more videos like this. I love this sweater. I'm glad I still have it. I really look forward to wearing it on an airplane, whenever that is.